To use Go2Bank with Zelle, start by downloading the Go2Bank mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Then open the app and log into your account. If you do not have a Go2Bank account, you can create one directly from the app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Send Money tab. Then select Send Money with Zelle. If you have not already enrolled in Zelle, you will be prompted to do so. To enroll, you will need to accept the terms of service and provide your US mobile number or email address. After enrolling in Zelle, you can start sending money to friends and family. To do this, enter the recipient's US mobile number or email address. Then enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if desired. Review the transaction details. Then confirm the payment. The recipient will receive a notification that you have sent them money, and they can access the funds directly in their bank account if their bank is a Zelle partner. If their bank is not a Zelle partner, they will need to enroll in Zelle with their debit card to receive the funds. To receive money with Zelle, the sender must have your US mobile number or email address enrolled in Zelle. When someone sends you money with Zelle, you will receive a notification, and the funds will be deposited directly into your Go2Bank account if you have already enrolled in Zelle. Best practices for using Go2Bank with Zelle include only sending money to people you trust, using the correct email address or mobile number for the recipient, and keeping your Go2Bank account and Zelle enrollment information up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use Go2Bank with Zelle to send and receive money with friends and family.